That's right. Surplus Marketplace is featuring a Microscope Super Auction event online from now until December 23rd. Come with me as we peer into some of the exciting lots up for bid. Zooming at lot C5057, we have an Olympus BX61 upright motorized fluorescence microscope that comes with a camera attachment and 4 objectives. Sliding in on lot C5058, we have an Olympus CX23 binocular microscope with 3 objectives. Lot C5060 is next on deck with a Fisher Scientific Bioptic Micromaster microscope unit with 4 objectives. The next lot up is a nice Leica DMRXA motorized flex configurable microscope station, which includes camera integration and 6 objectives. And lot C5064 features a Nikon TMS inverted phase contrast microscope with 3 objectives. And here's one of a few Nikon Labo Phot binocular microscopes with 3 objectives. And don't miss out on lot C5065, a nice AMG EVOS Excel core phase contrast digital microscope with ample view screen and 3 objectives. Last but not least is a Gordia M-Key Slide Bell automatic slide label printer to go with your other microscope purchase. This features a Slide Bell Tools 7-inch touch display and polearm mount. Check out these and other microscopes, tools, and other miscellaneous medical items at surplusmarketplace.com. Remember, any sale benefits the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston, Texas. Register and bid before this auction ends. December 23rd. See website for details. All items are sold as is, where is. Surplus Marketplace is a Texas auction company. B.Blair license 18123.